Well, it is that time to look myself in the mirror and tell you about my week, kind of summarize what's going on. We started running again. Wow, I just realized I have my headphones on. I'm going to take those off. Again, we started running. So you'll see I did a lot more miles. I was a little nervous with my knee from about a month ago, but all is good. All is checked out. No pain, no soreness. So that is good. We have grown the school community significantly. We're over 100 students now, which is pretty amazing. That's important because, there's gonna be more and more content that only lives on school. We did a live Q&A yesterday, for example. We're talking to Simon, the uneducated economist, later. We got Greg Dickerson and a lot more coming. Folks, you gotta join school. It's 20 bucks a month, not hiding that fact. You're gonna get a lot more access. You're gonna really be able to ask questions about what you're doing today. That's one thing I've seen about school already, is the people that are in it are asking about deals, their situations. And it just means we could react. We can really give some opinions and ask questions. The other thing is it's not lost on me. I'm looking to create more and more value. For example, we just listed a 3-day challenge from Bill Allen where you really should think about taking a look at that with your kids. If you have kids between the ages of 10 and 18, they are now on summer break. And maybe you want to work with them on how to make some money, to have those conversations, buy low, sell high. I strongly suggest you take the 3-day challenge that is now available. Again, do it with the kids, and I think you will enjoy that. Also, I'm looking about creating a 5-day challenge in early July where we understand where you are and how to help you move forward. The idea there is we will understand your goals, your actions, and I will do 5-day series of different millionaires coming on and brainstorming and helping folks. So again, I'm just thinking about how I can provide more value. Please join the community. Please interact. We've gone from the top 4,000 schools to the top 1,600. I would like to get to the top 1,000, hopefully this week, to be honest. And again, that's not only about new students joining, it's also about your reactions, comments, um, posts. So keep it going. All right, folks, let's bring up the spreadsheet because that is why you are here. All right, so we will start at the top. And as you can see, we have finally gotten back to doing some real work. We did 80,000 total steps last week. As you can see, for about 6 weeks, really their week 19, I was injured. And yeah, so we are finally feeling good. As you can see, we did some real mileage last week. We did 16 miles. That was 4 different runs. We did 2 threes and 2 fives. That's the 16. Haven't seen an adjustment in weight yet, but I'm sure that is coming. Golden tickets and black cards, folks. Didn't send many out. Only 1 golden ticket last week and 2 black cards. If you don't know what those are what I send out to students and followers who either got their first deal or got their next deal. So if you have anything going on, let me know. I would love to send you a card and give you a shout out on the daily financial news. Folks, it looks like the YouTube was very interesting. We actually saw the views drop 40,000 on the main channel. So they went from 154 to 116 K. But we made more money. Go figure. We made 1,400 bucks in 1 week, which is pretty cool. Also, we had nearly 5,000 views on the daily financial news. And what did we have? We had just over 5,000 views on the best of ORAT. Yes, folks, we have 3 channels. I create original content for one rental at a time. Then the team takes the live stream of the daily financial news and posts that later with a little bit of editing. And the best of ORAT just takes the best video from the previous week and gives you one. So best of ORAT and daily financial news get 1, maybe 2 videos on the odd occasion. But the best or one rental at a time gets the 4 or 5 videos. So you can see there, we did get 357 new subscribers on the main channel, made 1,400 bucks. Daily financial news, we had 58 new subs. Thank you very much. I made $55. And then the best of ORAT, we added 21 new subs and made just under 50 bucks. So if you add all those up, we made more than 1,500 bucks in a week on YouTube, which is pretty cool. As for book sales, another frankly ho-hum week. We did 15 one rental at a time and 15 conversation with millionaires. Folks, did you know In the links below, you can actually click on the Audible link and you could get Dion. Yes, folks, Dion is the narrator for both books, which is an amazing gift he has given to myself and the community. As for the value and things that I give away, the 54-year spreadsheet saw a pretty significant uptick. I talked about it on X and Twitter. I'm guessing that's where some more followers came from. The Zuber letter is growing, albeit slowly. Still has an open rate over 50%, so thank you for that. Very, very cool. As for the school community, yep, we are up to 115 students. We got over 100 students in, what is that? Just about 4 weeks. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We had 8 people sign up for the free course. We had 1 person buy the buy box deep dive for $50. And again, nobody buying how to get started 1 rental at a time. Again, that is still an amazing course, $399. It also comes with the $200 Vegas event. I will give you that for free. We did have 1 person join the community who bought earlier. Or at swag. Again, this swag this time is, are you team happy or team sunny? Yes, folks, I love my dogs. There's no secret in that. I had my team create a drawing for sunny and happy. If you want to buy a t-shirt and have something unique and support the channel, you can buy a t-shirt on my website, 1 rental at a time, either team happy or team sunny. We did get 1 book selfie picture this week. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you want to, take a picture with the book or maybe these black or gold cards, please tag me on Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it. And then, folks, the Amazon referral links. Woo! Fail. I never talk about it, but at the bottom of all these videos, if you go to my website, onerentalatatime.com, I have a tab that says These Made Me Rich. All of those are Amazon links where if you click on them, I make a couple of pennies. So again, if you want to check out books or things that made me rich, you can get that on my website or click any of the links below. Those are Amazon links and I get a little commission. So at the end of the day, folks, for me, I'm running again, which again, I was injured and was lost a little confidence. That is now back, right? We did 16 miles last week. So thumbs up, happy about that. Very happy about the school community getting over 100, now 115. I'm thinking about more and more ways to create value. I'm working with more and more people to give you access. It is really morphing into a community of people that are doing work right now. And that's what I wanted. The school community for 1 rental at a time is about people deciding on what to do now. Hey, I got this equity. Hey, I got this down. Hey, my buy box is full. What should I do? All those things. And I'm trying to mash all my millionaire contributors with what you are doing today. So again, plenty of value, stupid value. You got a 6-hour masterclass on creative finance. You got a 10-week boot camp that's $1,000 that I created. Now you have a 3-day challenge to help your kids this summer. That and much, much more is coming. I can't wait to see what comes next. Folks, sign up for school. You won't regret it. Take care. Later.